guys, today we're filming another video, and at the store I found this make your own perfume set. It's lavender, so I'm like, I'll try it. I want to see if it works. Okay, yep. Now I'm going to need pocket knife assistance. I'm going to have my dad use his pocket knife to help us cut it. Okay, Dad, unboxing for my quick. So he's opened it. So I read what it instructs. It has a syringe, the spraying tube, and finally the lavender scent and the instructions. On the box makes the lavender scent look pink. I mean purplish pink, not yellow. Instructions. So pretty much, like the warning says, this set contains chemicals that may be harmful if misused. Precautions on individual containers. Carefully, not to be used by children except under adult supervision. Should not be used on broken or aberrated skin. Just saying, not to use it on broken skin, like what's going on there. So and stuff. And here's my own perfume. Or Mayo. Make your own perfume. Okay, this is Mayo perfume. It protects, makes your lavender scent perfume. Cover your work area with newspapers or large sheets of paper. Make sure your work area is flat and easy to clean surface. Well, this is oh, Bentley, get down from the window. Okay. Fill your spray perfume bottle with water until it is almost full. So it seems like I have to go fill our lavender essence thing with water until it's almost full, and then stay instructions, and then until it's almost full, and dump that water into a cup and add a few drops of the lavender fragrance. If you want the perfume is to be stronger, add a few more drops. Makes the water yeah, I just did like step 3 and 4 in that too, because so I'm gonna go get the water and put that in the cup, and I'm keeping the camera rolling because I'll be quick. Just filling it up and then grabbing a plastic cup. Be right back. Syringe.
Yeah, the syringe is here.
Did it mean syringe? Okay, guys, hi. Yeah, that's my dog here on my table here. Yeah. My dog is adorable. You know this. No, it says spray perfume bottle.
Whatever, it's fine.
And what the heck in Linda does the syringe do here? Oh, yeah. Now I'm figuring it out. So see, guys. In my nope. Stay instructions. Yeah, I should just put it under the shovel.
Hi, dude.
See, it's not even meant to be comedy, and it turns out to be hilarious. How do I do this? I see why it says adult supervision is required. It's only for adults. The box said age is 8+. I'm 8.
Who's showing off your teepees?
I'm 8. Why am I
Showing off your teepees?
How is an 8-year-old supposed to figure this out?
What, taking the cap off the syringe?
Please help, Mom.
Off the bottle. She's probably grabbing it in the wrong spot.
I bet it's squirting things.
Because the cap is off. Well, I mean, that's the
She wants to unscrew the bottle. Yeah. Do you need help?
My question is, why do we get a syringe? Please don't tell me this is a flop.
Am I stupid, or maybe does the bottom come off and it goes in that way?
Let's read the instructions again, guys. See.
No, it's threaded.
Fill your spray perfume bottle with water until it's almost full. It doesn't say how the heck in the world do we do this. It says perfume bottle. Why do I think they screwed up writing the instructions and they meant syringe?
That's press fit. There's no way to get that apart.
What? That's a little bit special.
Yeah.
This kit is not doable.
Oh, there we go. Got it.
We got it. Yes.
What did you pop it?
Pop it, yeah.
Oh, so it wasn't.
It's
really
press fit.
screw.
It's not. It wasn't screw on.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna go get my water, and I have my cup already. So
Yeah.
let's go get that water. So I'm probably filling it up to here.
Can I give you a hint? Do you know why they gave you the syringe?
Because you probably only.
You're probably going to put water in the cup, take it up in the syringe, and put it in. It's the only way it's going to go in right.
Oh.
So go put water in the cup.
So we're gonna put the cup and then we'll syringe it. We'll do it. As long as we get water in there, we're good.
So nice out here.
That is such an odd design. Okay. We have returned the water.
So now, you're supposed to put a couple of drops in the bottom of the tube first, correct?
No, the lavender fragrance seems like it's after.
Okay, so then you're going to take the syringe, you're going to fill it with water.
So you don't. Just how do you fill it? Is just pull that back and it's gonna have.
Yep. Now you're going to fill the tube.
Okay. We're pretty much using this as our sink spout because that fits perfectly.
Okay.
Try to do this slower. One suck.
Well, how much is in there? You need some space. You get enough space for the 2 drops. Good. So you're going to put some drops of the lavender in now, right?
Yeah, as many as I would like. So I'm trying to open the essential oil.
Okay, you opened it, yeah.
Perfect.
Now add some drops. You're going to squeeze it to make the drops on. 3. Squeeze again. 3. You get 3 in there. 4, 5. Alright, that's probably enough. And then Dad will put this back in.
Can you hold it and do it?
Yep.
So we're having a parent place that back on because and we are going to screw this back on because we don't need my. Is that working? Do we need more?
Yep.
Does it smell good?
Smells like lavender.
Okay. So, you like it? So that's a good perfume and onto your clothes and enjoy the scent that you have created. Oh wait, before you wear your perfume, you need to do a patch test using the mixture you have made. Dab a small patch on the inside of your wrist. Wait 5 minutes, then wash it off. After further 5 minutes there is no irritation to your skin, it is safe to use. And so it's pretty much saying test it to make sure do you have sensitive skin? Are you allergic to this product? No. That's pretty much what it's saying. Because some people don't know that they're allergic to the essential oil, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do a test. Ready, guys? So I just spritz it on my wrist. Got that on my finger.
And smell it.
I like that. And I rub it in. Okay, so if you were actually having probably a bad allergic reaction, it'd already be hurting and tingling now, probably. So I think I'll be good. But I think we're pretty much good.
Okay. So now you got to find a place to put the rest of your stuff.
Since
Alright.
we just bought that bin for me to put like my stuff on the bathroom counter, that's where I'm gonna put this.
Yeah, and don't forget the other pieces you got to put in the box to save them, in case you got to mix some more up.
Yeah. And so we're gonna keep that. And I actually like that essential oil. It's in an easy kid usable bottle. So I'd say for $1, because I got this at the dollar store, it's worth it. I mean, I created something that like you could buy these for like 5 to 10, right? A good smelling one and stuff. But just $1, I got to make it myself. I mean, it was super simple. And it looks pretty good. Like, it didn't stay too clear, so you know it's not water. You know it's something that